Hello. How are you? I hope you're having a wonderful start to your day wherever you are in this beautiful world. How are you doing? How are you really doing? It's the afternoon now, and I had really done a lot of things, and what we're getting up to, going for lunch and dinner, a big meal. We've been meaning to go to this place for a while, and we've been canceling because we had friends visiting, and then we got caught up in doing other things. Yes. And so now we're finally getting the chance to go to this place. But we didn't make any reservations. Oh no! So we have new Ikabisi system. Wow. Sponsored by HSBC. No. Well, I was a bit distracted there. So yeah, we're going for food. And I'll take you along the day, of course. After food, I like to go walking and catch up, and so that's that. Nothing planned for today. It's a relaxed day with esposo numero uno, numero cero. I like this tree. It's a lady with afro. Done having food at Sakroto, and the food was delicious. How much would you say 5 out of 5? Sokarat. How much would you say out of 5?
6.
Really? Why? It's really good, and it's very light, and it's not very oily, so it's really good. But I could barely finish my beer. We were at Liner. We were listening to music, and I noticed the music was Arabic music. And I learned that, which part? The northern or the southern part? The southern part of Spain. Well, yeah, all of Spain has Arabic influence, and so it led me to do research at the table. Research at the table while we are eating, and I learned that there's some words in Spanish. There are 40 words in.
Yeah, more. Just take it for it there.
Well, according to Google, there are 40 words commonly used in Spanish that are from the Arabic language words. And I also remember when I was taking Spanish classes in the beginner stage of taking Spanish classes formally, we were told that there were some words that are from the Arabic aceitunas. Which one?
Almohada.
Almohadas is like pillow. I was like, okay. And I guess thinking about it, every culture takes from another culture.
Barrio.
Barrio,
The ending E.
and words like Pakistani,
The ending.
the ending of Pakistani, Irani. And that was pretty interesting, and I thought I'll just share that. Today was a wonderful day, like every other day. I'm gonna end the video here. Stay positive, think of possibilities, and see you in the next video.